I really like using this investigation, the shopkeeper's dilemma, when introducing children to solving equations using algebra. It's a nice story and it goes like this. One day, a shopkeeper has all his weight stolen. Oh no! Luckily, his good friend the grocer is going to lend him some. The shopkeeper needs to be able to weigh out all whole numbers from 1 ounce to 40 ounce. So which whole numbers should he ask for? It sounds like a simple problem, but actually it's more complex than you might think. Your pupils will probably start by drawing symbols to show the weighing scales. Help them with this. Explain to them that the triangle here is equals, and so we've got an unknown quantity. Explain to them we're going to use the symbol x, and it's a curly x, not a multiplication x, and then draw the little weight in, and using a weight of 1 ounce, here we have weighed 1 ounce, x equals 1. We could weigh 2 ounces with a weight of 2 ounces. So x equals 2. And we can weigh a weight of 3 ounces with a weight of 3 ounces. X equals 3. Which is very clear to your pupils. But this is where you set them the challenge. So can you weigh 2 ounces just using weight of 1 ounce and weight of 3 ounces? And hopefully, with a bit of discussion, they will come up with you can have x and a weight of 1 on that side and 3 ounces on this side. So written as an equation, that's x plus 1 equals 3. Now, you've got to keep these balance trays balanced, so what you do to one side you must do to the other. We've got to take 1 away from this side, minus 1, so we must take minus 1 away from that side, and then we have x equals 2. So we've managed to weigh 2 ounces just using 3 ounces and 1 ounce. Similarly, not drawing the scales anymore, we should be able to see that we can weigh 4 with x equals 1 plus 3, so x on one side, 1 ounce and 3 ounce on the other side, and this time x equals 4. This is where the challenge comes. You've managed to weigh 1, 2, 3 and 4 using weights of 1 ounce and 3 ounce only. So if you were to add one more weight, could you weigh all the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc.? Hopefully, with a bit of discussion, your pupils will start thinking along the lines of x plus 1 plus 3 equals something, and you want the answer to be x equals 5. So they're going to know they're going to have to taking 4 to get to the x. They know they're going to have been take off 4 there, so hopefully they'll work out that 9. And so we've now got an additional 9 ounce weight. Now your pupils have introduced a 9 ounce weight. They want to see if they can weigh all the quantities from x equals 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. just using the weights 1, 3 and 9. If they can do that, then the challenge is to introduce a 4th weight and go on weighing every single weight all the way up to 40 ounces. So I hope you and your pupils enjoy this investigation. It's a structured investigation. It introduces them to the terminology of algebra, and you can show them how it should be correctly recorded and how you do the same thing to both sides to solve the equation. In addition, they can also be introduced to or reintroduced to the imperial system of weights, ounces and pounds. A bit of revision there could also be fun. For those who might struggle with equation solving, the practical balance that they start with is a really good visual aid that really helps them to understand. So I do hope you and your pupils enjoy this investigation and have fun with it.